Hey, there's a lot of talk about affordable housing and the fact that it doesn't exist. Is it a fact? I don't think it is. I'm sitting in a house right now that was listed $60,000 under the appraised value, which is about 30% less than what it was worth, and no one bought it. Well, I bought it, and I'm going to take this home and I will be reselling it. And the challenge with affordable housing is people don't, most people don't want to buy affordable housing. What they want these days is they want new. I get it. I want new too. Um, but what most people are looking for in homes is either a brand new construction or a home that has been recently flipped. Even homes that have been flipped just a year or two ago often sit on the market much longer than those that have been flipped more recently, which is why we see so much activity in Hampton Roads around the flipping industry. The fact of the matter is, those flippers are buying affordable housing. You heard it. They are buying houses that they can afford. They can spend money through contractors in most cases. So they're paying, some paying top dollar for their labor. We all are these days. And then they go sell that home for a profit. Well, I don't know about you, but when I bought my first house, it hadn't recently been flipped. In fact, it didn't have a refrigerator. It didn't have a stove that worked. It didn't even have a bathroom that was operational until my real estate agent crawled underneath the floor and braced it up so it could be used and passed inspection. Well, that's what I love about being a real estate agent and helping others find what is truly affordable. Now, don't get me wrong. If you're looking for new construction, if you're looking for something that's been recently flipped in your budget, works with that, then by all means, go and buy those homes. You're going to have less maintenance up front. You're going to have less repairs that you need to make, but you will be paying a premium for it versus buying something that you might need to do a little bit of work to. So the home that I'm in right now was being lived in right before I purchased it. Could it use a little bit of work? Sure. Does it need work? No, it doesn't. You could move in here today. You could live. You wouldn't have problems. But that's not what most people are looking for. So the moral of the story is affordable housing exists. If you're willing to roll up your sleeves and put a little sweat equity in, I want you to reach out to me because I can help you find affordable housing anywhere, and in particular in Hampton Roads. And I'd happy to help you do that. If you like, leave me a comment below or just go to contactotis.com, send me a message, and we'll set up a time to talk and talk about what your real estate goals are. But until then, I'll see you at the beach.